Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send video message on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a video message on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the video message. Now from over here, to proceed to send a video message, you can see the camera icon and the message bar over here at the right side of it. Tap on that camera icon, and we are on the photo section of WhatsApp. Now if we slide over here at the bottom side of the screen, you can see this is a video section. Now capture your video. Up to when do you want to capture? Maybe a 2 or 3 seconds, or you can just rotate if you want. That option is at the right side, or you can just, guys, you can edit it over from over here, and you can just send it. You can upload it from your gallery. You can upload the video from a gallery. You can see there is the video or the picture icon at the left side of the bottom of the screen. If you tap one, gallery of your phone will open and you will be able to upload a video from over here as well. And with that being said, guys, this is how to send a video message on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.